Hook. Sloan flush valve acting up again. Countdown starts. Fix it in minutes, not hours. No flushing. Non-stop running. Weird noises, classic Sloan headaches. Every issue wastes water, time, and money. Today, we'll troubleshoot fast with simple, proven steps. Grab your screwdriver, wrench, cloth, and replacement parts. First, shut off the water supply. Then check the valve for leaks or blockages. A missing water supply means no flush at all. Look closely at the sensor lens. Dust and grime can block automatic detection. Wipe it gently with a soft, dry cloth. Now, inspect the battery compartment. Weak batteries often cause delayed or failed flushing. Replace batteries if your model needs them. Next, remove the valve cover carefully. Check the diaphragm for cracks, tears, or wear. Damaged diaphragms cause weak flushes and leaks. If it's worn, install a matching replacement. Watch how quickly the flush performance improves. Turn the water back on slowly. Test the flush and watch for steady operation. Still running continuously? Check for trapped debris. Mineral buildup can stop the valve from sealing. Remove internal parts and clean them thoroughly. Use vinegar or mild cleaner for hard water deposits. Rinse every part before reassembly. Now, adjust the flush volume. Clockwise reduces flow. Counterclockwise increases it. Make small changes, then retest immediately. A balanced flush saves water and improves cleaning. Hear strange noises during flushing? Loose connections or pressure surges may be the cause. Tighten fittings and inspect the valve body. In high-pressure systems, add a regulator. That can dramatically reduce rattling and vibration. Next, examine the handle or manual button. If it feels loose, tighten or replace hardware. For sensor models, confirm alignment and clear sight. Nothing should block the sensor field. Now, take a look at internal seals. Worn seals often cause slow leaks and constant flow. Replace any damaged seals immediately. Reassemble everything with care. Open the water supply fully. Test again for strong, clean, automatic flushing. Nice already better, right? That's the power of fast troubleshooting. To prevent future problems, clean regularly. Use a mild cleaner and soft cloth only. Avoid harsh chemicals that damage valve components. Schedule weekly or monthly maintenance checks. Inspect diaphragm, seals, sensor, and fittings. Catch wear early before it becomes expensive. Also monitor water quality in your building. Hard water creates mineral deposits over time. Softening water helps protect your flush valve. Still not fixed after cleaning and replacement? That's when professional help makes sense. Persistent leaks usually mean deeper internal issues. Complex repairs may require special tools. A plumber can diagnose hidden valve problems fast. For older units, upgrading may be smarter. New models improve efficiency and reduce repeat failures. Sloan flush valves work best with routine care. Spot problems early, and small fixes stay simple. Clean, inspect, adjust, and replace when needed. That's how you save water and avoid costly repairs. Need a quick fix guide for your restroom? Follow these steps and restore reliable flushing today. Don't let a faulty valve disrupt your day. Take control, fix it fast, and keep it running. Your Sloan valve deserves simple, smart maintenance. Like this guide. Save it and use it again. And if problems persist, call a professional now.